Hello friends, welcome to my channel Umar's Learning Hub, and today another question has arose and many people asked to me from my cousins and school fellows. So how to solve this type of question which is slightly different, not similar, which is slightly different from other question which I've done previously. So this type of question, so let's go ahead. Let's 20 divided by 1 over 2 multiplied by 20. This is very a difficult question for those students who don't know the basic operations that are multiplication, division, that are very new to these type of question, which are in grade 6 7. They cannot solve. So the easiest method and the correct answer which you will get in today's class is very easy. So according to the BODMAS rule, so according to the BODMAS rule, B for bracket, O for operation, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, and S for subtraction, we will go through BODMAS rule. So how we can go through BODMAS? So let's go ahead. 20 divided by 1 over 2 multiplied by 20. First division comes first, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. So firstly we will solve division, division part, then we will solve the multiplication part, then we will solve the addition part, and then we will solve the subtraction part. But there is no addition part and no subtraction part because there are no operation in the question, so we will not solve these because there is no requirement. So what we will do, first we will solve this part, 20 divided by 1 over 2. How we can solve this? If there is nothing upon 20, we can make it 1. 20 divided by 1 multiply by 2 over 1 multiply by 20 will be written as it is. So now the question arose, why you flip it and why you flip the numbers and why you change the operation. The reason is that whenever there is 20 and whenever there is this type of question, if it is in your examination, so simply what you will do, you will switch the division sign into multiplication sign, and if multiplication sign is already there, so there is no need to change the sign. So we will first flip the step number 1. We will first flip the division sign into multiplication sign and then 1 over 2. When you will flip the multiplication, when you will flip the division sign, then the next fraction, which is 1 over 2, you will flip it. Means flipping, 1 will come in the denominator and 2 will come in numerator. This is how we will flip. 20 over 1 multiplied by 2 over 1 multiplied by 20 will be written as it is. Then in the next step, what we will do? Any guess? We will multiply this. We will multiply this 20 into 2, which you will go to 40 multiply by 20. So the answer is 40 into 20 is 800, because 4 2s are 8 and 2 zeros, so 2 zeros will be written as it is. So this is the answer. So this is correct method. What do people actually do? They first cross multiply this, which they get 2 to the 40, 20 divided by 40, and which they get 1 over 2. So this is the correct method to solve this type of questions. So I hope that you have understand today's class. So be updated for more questions, and don't forget to like, subscribe our channel Umar's Learning Hub. Thank you.